Would you like to learn one of the greatest financial secrets of our time? One that you can use to eliminate 60 to 80% of the interest charges on all of your credit card debt and take charge of your financial future? If you're like most Americans, your credit card debt keeps piling up. You're seeing higher and higher balances driven by high interest rates, which never allow you to get ahead. Are you tired of losing money to credit card companies every month? You're not alone. In these challenging economic times, none of us can afford to needlessly waste our money, practically giving it away unnecessarily to pay these huge interest charges. Fortunately, there is a proven secret that allows you to pay off your credit card 5 times faster, eliminating 60 to 80% of the interest charges on your credit cards and saving you thousands of dollars in interest you just don't have to pay. So what's the secret? The Interest Minimizer Biweekly Credit Card Payment Program. We're Nationwide Biweekly Administration, one of the nation's largest and most recognized administrators for weekly and biweekly programs. Through the Interest Minimizer, we've helped hundreds of thousands of Americans save hundreds of millions of dollars. We can do the same for you. Here's how it works. With the Interest Minimizer program, you'll see an automatic withdrawal from your checking or savings account every other Friday. These withdrawals will be for half of your monthly payment. Your biweekly payments are then directed toward your credit card balance twice monthly to ensure maximum interest savings, resulting in much lower interest charges and a greatly reduced time to pay off your credit card debt. Let's say you have $8,500 in credit card debt at 18% interest, with a minimum credit card payment of $255 each month. It will take 19 years and over $8,000 in interest charges to pay off that original $8,500 debt. With our biweekly interest savings program, we cut that 19 years down to 3.5 years, eliminating 15.5 years and 60 to 80% of all your interest charges on your credit cards, simply by enrolling in our Interest Minimizer program. That's right, you can eliminate 60 to 80% of all your interest charges on your credit cards by simply enrolling in our biweekly credit card payment program. Imagine being able to pay off an $8,500 debt 5 times faster while pocketing all of the interest payment savings. This is money you get to keep for you and your family. Just the incredible interest savings alone are enough for most people to enroll in the Interest Minimizer. But here are even more great reasons to enroll. First, there's no balance transfer. Second, there is no increase in your minimum monthly payment. Third, it's easy to budget and automatic. And fourth, Interest Minimizer guarantees your payments arrive on time. Now, you might be thinking, why can't I just pay extra each month on my own? But consider this. NBA recently did a survey of over 100 customers who had canceled the biweekly program, stating that they were going to pay extra on their own each month. The results are irrefutable. 81% of the people failed in the first year alone and were not making any extra payments on their own. After 3 years, 99% of all people who tried to do it on their own failed, based on a person paying the minimum monthly payment on an $8,500 balance at 18% interest. Those who didn't use the Interest Minimizer lost over $8,000 in unnecessary interest charges and took an extra 15.5 years to pay off their balance when they canceled the biweekly program. That's a lot of money and time. This is great evidence of the real value of the biweekly Interest Minimizer program. Because Interest Minimizer doesn't just work on credit card debt, you can also reduce your interest charges on your mortgage, home equity loans, car loans, student loans, second homes, and more. You can enroll 1, 2, 3, as many interest-bearing accounts as you want. It's your choice. Nationwide Biweekly Administration is proud to be one of the nation's largest and most trusted biweekly program administrators. Our industry-leading program, the Interest Minimizer, has processed billions of dollars in payments for hundreds of thousands of customers to over 5,000 financial institutions across the country. And to give you extra peace of mind, we commissioned an audit that was conducted in accordance with the attestation standards established by the American Institute of Certified Public Accountants, by a CPA firm accredited by the Association of Certified Fraud Examiners. NBA underwent this voluntary audit in order to demonstrate that we operate with integrity in 4 important areas, which are accurate savings estimates, funds are protected by FDIC-insured banks, funds are remitted to lenders on time, our programs operate as indicated in contracts. We took the extra measure of the verified professional audit to give you both the confidence and the assurance that our biweekly interest savings programs performed as promised. No other biweekly administrator backs up their offerings like Nationwide Biweekly Administration. Stop paying unnecessary interest charges and start building wealth for your family today. Call us at the number on your screen. Through the Interest Minimizer program, our mission is to help millions save billions.